As search and rescue efforts continue in Texas, Missouri's Task Force One is deploying an additional 35 more personnel to support the ongoing efforts. These are new pictures of the task force sent to us of that operation. The additional personnel flew out of St. Louis's Lambert International Airport this morning, heading to San Antonio, Texas. The team will rent SUVs and a bus and head to Kerr County, Texas to join the rest of Task Force One. Well, Illinois also has a team on the ground to assist with search and rescue in Texas. The state sent its urban search and rescue team there. The team consists of 39 rescuers from fire departments. They will be in the Lone Star State for up to 14 days.